What's going on guys, Kyle here from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to design t-shirts in Kittl. Once you're in Kittl, in the left column, select New Project. You will then see T-shirt. Click it and then select Create. With your t-shirt design opened, you can then search for graphics and click it and add it to your design. In the left column, you can also click T, which is text, and then you can add different text styles. Then once you add it to your t-shirt, you can then double click it and then type in your own words. If we go back to the left column and continue scrolling down, we also have illustrations which we can add to our t-shirt designs. Once you have created your design, you can then go to the right column and download it or share it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.